All right, today guys, we wanted to share with you some ways that we keep the memories of our travels. It is very important to us, and I'm pretty sure to all the fellow travelers, including yourself, to keep the memories of your travels and to hold on to them in any way that you can. Our first way that we like to keep our travels is our map. I'll link below a sticker map that you can get on Amazon. We actually had this prior to traveling. We had it during our homeschool, and so we just took this magnet and started magneting it up. So every time we get a state, we just drop it in there. Okay, so this is our favorite way to keep the memories of our travel. We just have a regular map. We've cut out the map and we take pictures at a destination in the state that we go to, and we cut it out and we paste it on that state. And then by the time our travels are done, the whole country will be filled up with pictures and memories. Another way that we like to keep memories of our travel is a camping journal. You just fill in the blanks of more about where you stayed and what you did or who you met in that state, and it's got a little note section on the back. This is something new that we started doing, but I definitely like in keeping the memory. I'll link this book down below, so that way if you're interested in it, you can get yourself a copy as well. So this memory keeper we do for our kids, but if I'm being honest, I wish I would have started it for myself. I definitely like how it turned out 30 states in. So we took some photo books and we had the kids collect a postcard for every state that we've been in. And I mean other memorabilia too if there's tickets, but mostly postcards. My main requirement is that the postcard has the state name on it. Some of them we don't. In Rhode Island, we couldn't find any postcards, so we went to the Dollar Tree and made our own in Rhode Island to keep the memory. But it's definitely something that just brings us all joy when we get these books out and look at them. We have one for my daughter and then one for my son as well. And like I said, this is definitely something I wish I would have started doing for myself to have the memory as well. All right, and here's a little bonus one, especially if you have kids. Junior Ranger badges. We have a lot more than this on this table, but I didn't want to pull them all out. But we have the kids do Junior Rangers as our homeschool curriculum, and they get badges for it. And it's just a good memory of the places you've been and the things that you've done. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope we gave you some great ideas on keeping memories. If you have a way that you keep memories for your travels, please comment them down below. We would love to hear them. Maybe give us some tips and share with our community. The whole purpose of being out here and traveling is to make memories, and what better way than to keep those memories. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and go check out some of our other videos for great tips. Bye!